So we ye bane de baba sumo tienka e wa santimanta mu nyina e Sompa 93.1 FM adama e na Sompa 98.9 FM susu kutai mu e Bruno ni afumanta no mu Bruno is ye Sompa 90.7 FM ensam ne de nam no e doso na poso ni ora Moses for money dia to ga se gay home rano a na no ada Ghana mrase ga fokokje tu mu no ojide wa rechi mu se yire so paso se de ne a mampeni na nado dan kwaku for de nsa e be hyase amana be emra
asante mantemo so for na to prejade man ECG and a good course one man ya omo ma yi a wo be demonstration e de etia wo
and opening power that ECG adwuma no sre Ghana ma de hye sese e kwakope meter connection sem ne medrema no ya ne yenya kokuduro ne yemonwura wo matena ye na meter na ebi wo hono de be ma yen
anano no se wo fie ya kanea no ebusia ECG for kokotwa mu no managing director de ma ECG wabakasa de afase
abusia for de makwa mu ase awie entity abato Sompa FM nsem twefo proso kire se e ma ya mienu akwa ntokwa e ma ba ko sabi waka ba akwa so yakuma afiri honom yebekọ ne yakwa akodi nkomo
na Ghana Integrity Initiative one so na ka se one mo kire se State of the Nation address no mampanyin bakenkan no afakata hye one man shedante ho aseni
we ni afoforo pinu an yakeke se ne se kase a ba bia wo bia na wie ye bana ye de aba besomo ye fa seda ema enwuma ekoyi
na preko si de na ntokwa no na no timi koduru hoko kasa I was your 21st clinical was a sciatica expert wate yankwaje ayarisha 3 herbal center what 3 core capsules abamizo and 5G one mo sotayechi cloud internet the fastest internet in the world Tabita clinic is ukwada bia diabetes prostate ade wo hwe no to ase Dr. Benso watana so apatapa new site kona oyade no wonto ase emfama oyedemo live our Facebook where Sompa 93.1 YouTube no ye Sompa TV aya mare fisa sam no nyina da yensam for panyi wakruche ade akogu aba fontenta fidie no sonto kwa obanya bi no wakenkan aya www.sompaonline.com e wona sam no nyina da ede akogu asomfo no ye mienu enene match bosome ne de dika fempi mienu ne aduonu nan yaje adwa yabakenkan sam nyina ade amawo akosia aje wakwade aboaten ne medi mene
nana ya obo amalibia boga
ensemni
yes ase de free Ghana mrase ge fie ma na wotwe mu a ene beto dwasa Ghana mrase ge fona akwaji game ra no atum ye free necro wa be ye wadwene se wo bema wo de Adam ni Eve no besesa no akwakọ ene Adam ni Steve no ene mra no ene wo de wo so oba mema ye wo hoyi na ye ho akọ wo so de bema wo mpe na momu yonko ba na ne betwe mpra na akwakọ wade na modo mo nsabe kokọ eskeshi wo mayase no mo sa amaya no so no emra no ene mo bedi pa na mo so a mo beji atum se an ye de again ye bebo ho dawuro se bia radio station and access television ne so be TV station o be se o beba kwa ma ya bobo ho dawuro na abuzamfo mo timi so awie de wo mo etimi so na ososo no na kese ye no wodi a enya asem keto na sa mra we ya emra se jafo ko gitum no abusua manso na aba ho ebi chese enya mra papa ya wo se mampeni na dodan kwaku for de nsa chase ebisuso chese ne kwanso ano no si ansechira nka ya me ani anya dene a wanhwe a wo de ne sa ema nchirima ne nkwada no eba no omakwa akotwiro mu nturumu ene lesbianism sem wa bra enye sa na twede amponyankro mpombo nipa so obo nipa ibema wo so kwan da oba ho wo kwan eda abo no musa na kesa wo so tilapia ne fish no adwene mu bo wa ne adwene megire me ho wo so kwan da nsum ne koba ne sei se na de bema wo se ne kwan kwa akoto no yonko bema ne to gase no ba so no ne kwan akwa akoto eye no yonko ba ho enya de enya sasem bia samra we ho manso ntino enam so ma ebinom kresre se mama mperi na nado dan kwaku fado ensimra no lawyer Moses for amoni omo tenase etintim mra no etworotworoye comma full stop ene ade omo de toto ho no oka ho bi o se ogide wa reche mu se mamperi na nado dan kwaku fado he onim de abene yobia amanfo ye yone nkanko dana koma so pa we smart politician ya saade we ebeto nanim a wontwentwen so ode ne nsa be hyase amano ababe yemra ewo mayimu.
The president is a very smart politician, and what I've told everybody who's asked me this question is, first of all, there's no president who has ascended the presidency of Ghana who has used the word of God more than this president. His mantra was the battle is the Lord. He came. He also said he was going to build a cathedral. That has nothing to do with our constitutional mandate that he had been given. But it was a personal commitment and a covenant which he had made with God. So in terms of his own spiritual life, in fact, that's why I love him, because I love a man who loves the Lord. If you look at his own spiritual posture and his political posture, God has been very central to all that he has done in terms of ascending to the presidency of Ghana. So I would have thought, and this is my disappointment, that this bill would not have been a private member's bill, for which reason anybody would have an excuse for saying, oh, I don't want to sign it because private members. I mean, it is very contradictory for a president who came to power on the wings of the battle of the Lord and wants to build a cathedral. And by the way, the modern theological and practical Christian viewpoint is that it is not a physical temple. Our bodies are the temple. So the real temple that you would have thought, cathedral that the president should have been building, would have been to actually authorize his attorney general to have sponsored this bill. I know that the attorney general has pushed for a legislation, a weed legislation. Why wouldn't he sponsor this bill? So the point I'm trying to make is that all that I know about the president, I know he will sign this bill. He doesn't sign it, trust me, I don't know the excuse that was used for the other private members bill that, it was going to, the other bill, if this was an attempt to dodge our bill, the president has, I don't know, those legal experts have fallen flat, because if you look at Article 108, it says that if in the opinion, the view of the person presiding, this does not impose a charge. Question, this our bill doesn't impose a charge? Absolutely not. As I told you, the provisions that would have, somehow imposed the cost have all been taken out. In any case, even if they were in, the Christian Council of Ghana had actually written a letter undertaking to underwrite the cost of all the medical bills of anybody who wanted treatment. And this document is in the possession of the Speaker of Parliament. The exercise of the discretion of the Speaker of Parliament in respect of Article 108 saying that this is not going to impose any cost on the state would have been very clear. I mean, that thing would have been thrown out. So there would be no reason for the president to say, I'm not going to sign. Well,
I was for way a lawyer Moses for money, one more, almost the same, Rano, a troy, ye cruche, and a cotton rasilla for any more mujitum no cajon, and also Mamperin and I don't cook for not more dot or a smart politician, and Mrawe betonym or Natana Honomoa, any answer or any Sabashas Yamana Babe Yemremu.
As I said, ya dum so no ya do bunu anada anaira samo do big mahama de batuja awade a che be adwumade so ya no wo kire se won mo yansiesie mapanti anton kopem sa no nsia mo no de na sensensie de nyinata won mo tumi awie no nsia no kora pabuhia ama awie ene ewu sa kane na efon ya no adum ye no etimi di ba don hwere ni num ni akire ansa na esan so ba biem na yese asam no wapa na kan no ya e bibia ho enam so ma anopa ye ya santamantam so for Yero Simon osama sade ne ho agim bi wo so hwe ye no an sa na amin wo ka de akire ECG any grid company for say wo mo mpa no toto mpa no a wo mo nyom ne ma yie kenten no wo mo hyehyɛ ne ma ne ngumu yie pa anya sade a wo no ankasa besim pampampan boabo adom wano na won ma yo ye kire de atia wo sanse enkame asa mantam bia nyankane a entidie na kwoba ya ma santamantam dum so ya doso a emu anu ye ya doso enam so nti wone asoye hwe ma nyina mahoden wonsam so kwakosia sa no ye na ntona so mu a ya beti mu asem biem.
The regional minister in 2017. Now your problem be severe nationwide grid connection to power. They are there 100 megawatts. They could take as many 80 megawatts from Ashanti alone. No matter 20 number other areas. You see what I'm going I was not going to tolerate that. And you see that we could short it within the BR. Normal regional breakdown across the country. Because I was not going to accept it. Sylvia, when you're 100 megawatt shortage, not something 8. It should be fairly distributed. Your problem, your problem. Not problem, no matter be fairly distributed. For free, baby, and when I met ECG, any grid code, that's what I told them. And then case emergency maintenance and they should inform me. The second one, and if every day, regional breakdown of shortage grid kuwenya. into what you do light or baby. Regional breakdown. They are 72 minimum. One maintenance in the Adiachi and Omsha said the regional breakdown of the national shortage unit, and that is what I'm saying. So, man, who's here, maybe a baby shafia, then I'll lead the demonstration. Because I request for Niaman unit. The provision that day. But I could the Adiachi and other than regional breakdown, no don't what's the rationale behind that? I didn't know who that was 2017, and I will not sit for repetition of that. No, that time, no, they saw I wasn't happy. So they started sharing it fairly. And in those days, now Ashanti, Greater Accra, breaking to two. Greater Accra, near Greater Accra, no more tema. And Yamians and Nyakasi. Now that region is no and that is what I want us to go back. Shortage, maybe I'm only shortage. I'll beat Kenya. So what's the difficulty here? Your call and my train is 2 weeks now. I'll call on them again. I'm still waiting for the information. I'm saying it. I will lead the demonstration. Please, Bibisha.
I was your way. I was sentiment so for your Simon or Simonsa.
I was for Kania ya preso dumso ya say a man for saying you dumso you dum see and if you didn't want to chuma ye kwakusi ya na I don't know penny somewhat do big Mahama or penny quanche for that electricity company of Ghana charity ya if any say ECG annual edia the sre to Ghana madishi and sen Kania de so na dum I say Malcolm toy dear then so best Ghana for say Sakoba se ope meter ni bia se ye prepaid die se ye postpaid na ope e de akwakobo ofie osoto anase baby bia wo a ombesere se ya na connection sem ye Ghana for dedodo enemi agise mi nyobi mani di menim agise mi kosi pani bi so wo si meter je enya connection enya pani bia na wo kwa kosi ni so ena enya wo hia obi amana di wonim ne hia no so obeba o matena ye na no o maba be di nkomo na sika wo se utua e de ma ECG no watua na o ma krata asem dia to so na fe mita na wo pe no omo e dia bababo bia no a wo pe e de aye adwuma nti mita asem no enya connection ne pani bia na e ba bedi wonim bia ni yenya kukuduro ni ntwa na momra wo matena ye na mita ne egu opa.
Talk about how good you've done as a company without not having anything to show is what? Just you trying to, as the guy said, you go explain tire. The truth is, if the company is doing well, there must be a data dump or a digital platform to show exactly what we're doing. For example, ECG is cashless. How many public companies can say they are cashless? Now every peswa adds to the what? Bucket. Now we have made sure that we have one of the sterling apps in the country, which has a 4.5-star rating on the App Store. Now we're currently surging above over 3.5 million active users on the app, which is now looking like the app can also be used for other things. We are now even trying to think about ECG beyond tariff, non-tariff revenue. Other things that a utility can do. ECG is fully digital in how it runs its services. If you even want to apply for a meter now, you just have to go onto the app and start the... these are the tiny things that take away things like, oh, I applied for a meter a month ago, 2 months ago, I don't have it. Because now we go to a point where we are asking all those who've applied for meters, come forward. And then guess what? The phone numbers that we have on record are not even for the people. So you're calling the people that applied or paid for. Those are middlemen. So you're not even finding the people who actually are saying that they're looking for meters. That being said, anybody who's applied for a meter should get to the nearest ECG office if they have the requisite receipts. Because whoever stood between you and us, if the person didn't give you the receipt, you probably have to pay for the process all over again. You see, a very good Yepe connection. When you come directly to ECG, the meter is cheap. But when you use a connection man, you end up paying 2, 3, 4 times the price. So people will go for that. Now the question is why? You understand? Because we want certain comforts, we don't want to follow the line. But now, when you go digital, it's from your home. You start from your home. You put in the application, you do the requisite stuff. We get the show on the road. You can have periodic, notifications of where your request has reached until finally the installation is done. We are running a loss reduction program where metering is not going to be an issue anymore. An issue of the past because there are enough meters to cater for the new service connections, and also it's aimed at also clearing the backlog of faulty meters. And actually, if we don't even have enough, we have a way of calculating because of the digital platform, calculating and giving you a virtual meter. We can do that now. Deployed AI into our billing system. We have come a long way as a company. We can even ask you can even send in your meter reading to us through the app for us to actually compute it.
I was for penny somewhat do big Mahama ye penny kwanche for da ECG adwuma ano.
Na eno da wo mudum kanea wo mrahye bedwafie bra na a state of the nation address no na mrasojafoɔ te so na wɔremo so adwene ade afa ho ɛne na nkrɔfoɔ ka sɛ ɛyɛ hamponi na soro hɔ mrasojafoɔ mpo na de kai ne yɛ no mu nkuma no de na yakra de ande yɛ kakra san sɛ ɔtɔn momone tonsuo ne yɛ betwa aka ne mu ayɛ ma nyɛ ɔya san sɛ akɛse no mu kra no wɔn de ka na ngye sɛ nkuma no na managing director de ma ECG adwumako ne yɛra Samodu Bik Mahama wababa yi no wɔkyerɛ sɛ we no ECG kra mpo no nkame yɛ sɛ mrahye odwafo aba betua kakra ade ato hɔ no mu anei no wɔn matumi akɔkɔsɔ kanea no ade ama wɔnom na wɔn hwɛ no mu sɛ kakra na wɔn de no wɔn matumi achiachia no saa san sɛ wɔn no ECG one mo boka edi so matena wɔyɛ nhwɛhean a anhwɛ a ɛka no ɛbɛmre wɔn no kra mpo titirunti ɛna mo yesa.
Yeah, we have money. They give us money. But every revenue mobilization exercise is a positive exercise. They paid a substantial amount. Yeah, they paid a substantial amount, more than half, which is good.
Ansana one more so kanea no de ama wo mo mrahye dwafie we managing director adema ECG adwumako ne yɛra Samuel Dubik Mahama
abuzian fe no wabɛka ho ani yɛ ka wo sɛ Sompa 93.1 FM yɛwi aprem to bre kase ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Kumase ɛna moti yɛnken Sompa television so no yɛkase etwagu ɛwɔ so sɛ otien ka obono ne afomantem ne mu a Sompa 98.9 FM ɛna Sompa 90.7 FM eso so ekuta mu ewo eye techima ne mpotam nkransa omsuso omo ekuta mu nsabe e brobro so yi wadwenche ne unsusuye obetimi dia babeka ho wabra o kan we social media platforms awodo ne nyina so o wadwenche bia ho no eguso a ye beka se ne mamuna busua ye bekenkan ede amamo yento akase no so mamo na yemfamo enkonsem fufrum ya tese maya mienu akoko ntokwa e o wiamoase a eben agona asantema asem ne ye kan ama sabe mpreduasa yesi ekade enkabako eya kabako akosu akuma ede afri honomo yenkwa omano so na yekoti bese for a professional concern a asemi odinani ede akire na sapon yene no enkode enkomo na otemenka awie yemo ha o
beje so menu abema
majima di se ho ye
o radio do me ho ye pa
enti onyaka akuma ni firi ho na se ekosi nchen
esi nchen ka kitikiti nanka esi ade
na baby adi tokro ye semui na so otimi de ne se ade wo ba na ha mu ana
ze baby ono kwa obu na kacho e de ne hye na se
o yo cha se wo bu obunya ni kom sa de ko se na ha mu
na se na
na ke se ade ne beto ho free bonto
ade no ono so in pants
no in dross
o je dross mini
Nada dia sana
na dia nsan o nyina ya kɔrensa fo obi abo
na je so ma fafa bia
enya asem
aye de
enya asem kitu akora
na dia ne kofa ntokwa ne ba ye dia ne kofa ntokwa ne ba ya wo ka sebi ne we
me da sipi uko wi amoase a yo ba bi e floor table so no omoton apetesi wo honom uko onum a omo wo honum nyina na ye beka se condemn oze ukokuro bia se omo timi win sana saa na obi ade afi tokro ntimi emfa edi sambai ba ko de fosina ba ko nsi di rose omo so ko wibi omo wibi aye fine ana rose no ba no si watisi ase anwumtini kese ya sapon wa frimu ana fosina no so de so si pay ya sapon asem unim na ka ya sapon asem ho bone a ono de ana rose no kase ya sapon na frimu na fosina so fro ya sapon de obede no frimu wo mui ana omumi na nyina obi atwa bi na omdi ntokwa so mu to mo kon ya obi anso ni ahode o de be pata ana o de oton so no so o se bo nkrofo to mo kon ya na rose na abo mesh elintino fosina na eso rose ni mesh num bitiri num ena odi ni twa no ho eto krim ne to fom ena odi ni share nase ena obuka ni share nase to ni share nase ena omia no kon ho sa ebo no mu on se what chenase na nechi ena nechi ni ewo nanim ena all pro se man to kwazu de ni formula ena obobo nti obobo no onu siti na ehye nase ni nine ni sanso of form onya bibia anye edu obo madia ko ani ti na se ne nano no ben akosua kuma no pantinko ka akosua kuma no ena ne tiri ye ne sre no ho ne sre no e ben akosua kuma no atiefo mfa ncheme
nana to aso ne sre no ne sine kosi ye
ena eda okaye odi okaye no okolapse kura amanfo no se ebekere kura so wafu kura ena mo rushing din call Salvation Army ayarsabia obi amase o ena omo treat na nti omo pamye next one pam ya enya asem ketu akwanti wodi ayarsama
na ode ne sene bo ho sana de enam ne tu ya na enu nti ma ne collapse ye
moja ntu ba echai ankasa ba da ntu echai ka
na yese ehonete se honam no emre da bi ehye ntubam ti emre sa na omo kana ade no hwa ho amse ka ade na sa na omo kana ade ne ho no na enwi bia enwi so ho na bi wo so bia anka ne sim nam bia anka se obeka ma na twa sa ande so ho
se omo nyina obi abo omo nyina obi abo enti obi antimi ankyere se sebidam enam enese mban se enwi kura ba ho a ono wo nhunu o nche da nhunu sa but e ba sa no e no no se na no so humeti because omia no e na ya humeti e na ode ye sa de no na anka no so a
na nipa ni ho akọwensafo mu nuanom akọwensafo no a na omo wi apetese ne sa bre no
na ene me trim se so wako sa condemn for base da each one for himself
no correct ne je on de je so mo di bomu a se ba ko anfiri mu a omo jejina wo hwe mu sa
obi o jejina wo hwe mu a obi ampata ena de
anaje se nyono kra be pata no wono waboro deda nti oni ani no de abepata
obi ani mbia na de mu won se maami no for sin na se kwa mi hu na baba ko wanya 24 years
na se ni omo nya nkwala
o
no omo wo kununum
omo so omo ni kununum
but omo wo mebua se ni o ka se for sin awo yi
omo ni obi awo ma omo man so kama na minim de nti a omo akọ sa ku no ya na usi wi amase na ka se table so a obi anim ho
table so wi amase
honom
na for sin no so okọ hia no on she draws the whole days ano
se enama for sita ya aba no elinti tete mpedinfo nyina agi afa
ayo
tise ya aba so na ba for no
atiraje se mame no obo antipe
sa mame no obo antipe
na ge se mframa namu
yo ena oka na we ho sem kura ni say say the doctor and then the doctor say ne ho ato no oyi no o give me 5 million 500 cedis I accept
ya de ne call hospital no doctors ahwe no ama say ne ho ye
ama mi seska ne say ne ho ye
say so omuyi no ne ka da ho ye say 500 Ghana cedis ono susu nya bi enti omo from afre na wi amo ase hene ebra me ni di ho nkomo no o ya de pa ono so boa me hwehwe mu am ye na wi amo ase no ono so ya no omo afre ne say on fa 500 cedis de emra me boa e no so okokuma ase aba no wa betua no yi no enti sa na ko say do da so da hospital na wi amo ase ba na no wi amo ase ni ba e no ba be yi no di bi da so da hodom na neti ne yonko rose no a wone ne wi apetese no a se binka waka ne hwe no na ono no se wo he se we police case you
David sa omo asem de nya police case asem why na for report
na yes Ghana mra na nya adwuma nuru omo base ho
David omo base no de wokọ won ma wokọ no omo ho de si ya pa ya chi wi fo ne na se fo kwa wokọ condemn fo no ya nchi omo bi so de bo so ka se wo pam omo kura no a fa na omo ntimi ntumrika ontimi ntumrika omo ye from condemn
ene mi nua no a me no mo okro from ne astan ne ade ne ogira fa ko no yese ma do
Eti ezeri oda so the hospital honum aja ope 5 million no dia koyi
na ne mana nyambia o mate se ne ato o mo ma me ne yese nka obi ka o mo ma me hwe
obi ani nanu ba bi obi ani nanu ba o mo ate but at the end obi ntimi nkoyi obi enye obi ahwe e Rose no ne na ne baby oh say no so no Rose no wo so obi abom mess no so ne trinyi mu twe no
ene eya yo
sa se akuremu
ode na se na akuremu sa entije so obulukom ena je so ode ahomete ade no so belande nanum sa ode ne kabo offer ya sapon ho na no mo ko ho wote ase why ka tro mo se wote ase adwebro ntokwa no mo ntwa so wote ase why
mate
na saponti Salvation Army Hospital no down
hospital we are mo ase
yo mate tu dia bibia ni a fo ani dia kirema yen na we mo ase hene se ofri kromba no obeba betua wo de besi eche bia no me yeso ya so nte na eja fosi se ayi junction violet kura ne yebeto amode afafa kuro no so a ya to ama no why
mate
yo that's a point that's it I'm so 40 way we mo ase kumase ya o kumase ya na match de ball nyum no matratafo matrama mponten kuna ni aguna matwam jamase we kura de unduru jama mamponkure unduru mamponku no mukura baabi ana yezo abranche sei na akwa mo ase skafo susu kro ye despite free ho na nan kansa bodu free ho eyi papa ya unity wa yo papa mu nyina free ne ba manti ase skafo se free kro mo na fosti any rules mu de mo anya sika mo de wi apetese ya mo keka se bi mo hwei koso ya so ne to aso
ba ya ka ho so be do so wo nom na wo hwade
nom na me hwade me bo mani akoma na me sori akoe masi wo the whole day my de my feel so na me call
okwa wakoda wanya bi dukura wadi no
ade eche na
di ho
ready to fight ono no de onya customer bia nya fe na dwe ho na woro na me sing anything goes no
I was at 27 so now executive director of the Ghana Integrity Initiative Mama Mary Ada mewa wono so akasa de atodwa ya wacho sa enei sa wo hwemo pa no a enano state of the nation address no amampanyi na do kokin kan no na nka wo mo hwa ni mu secretary shapra ya dwurim die na kankan anka mampanyi bebo ho pa na nka waka bibidi afa ho na o man ya hunu sia no kwa ya ku ana asempo ya san na so wase mampanyi no de wade wo mu nhyeda hunu asem a mampanyi na do no opeso waka bia sa bepem na no corruption no da so twetwere ba ho ye njimi hu ne ko no sane yesi bi ko enam so amo kire se mampanyi na do be nyuno onya nyuno wo ba hye so wakata hye ho a wanya hye hunu se mampanyi no ankasa wo ko na sa ade no ye da so ginam.
We know for sure that this is an account of all that has been going on, the situation now, analysis of what we have done, what we are doing, and what we seek to do as a people. And for anybody to speak to those situations, talk about governance and neglect to speak about corruption, I do not know what to say. But certainly, that is a matter that needed some attention from the president, I must say. It's not something that is out of the moon that perhaps we did not expect, because gradually the president in the past has sought to move away from speaking about anything concerning corruption. It's either mentioned in passing over the years as his tenure progressed. And so even last year, I believe so, the last 3 years, there has been some, maybe it's the omission of the speechwriters, but I think there has been some very deliberate ploy to remove the subject matter from the discourse. But that rather brings the issue to the fore, because people then pay attention more that what's happening if we are talking about this subject on a daily basis. There are issues on a daily basis, and yet this is not a subject matter that's being dealt with. It means we are talking about the state of the nation, but not reflected in the true state of the nation if we don't speak about anti-corruption moves and the situation we are confronted with when it comes to corruption.
I was aware executive director of the Ghana Integrity Initiative, Mama Mary Ada.
Yedemo twaso akwa amanyosemu efrienre ba na beto dwase mampani dada John Dramani mama sese de baby eniema keka kono Professor Gena no poku agimana ya no obeyi no se ni tua pemu a wone no ebekọ aba 2024 elections December yi wone no ebekro nti ekoba na sane kesa amanfo didi hu nkomo a Professor Gena no poku agimana no a eno ne ko ye 2020 yi nti 2024 wone no na esako wom se mampani dada John Dramani mama nyamma bonten emepe mu nkaade na nso amanfo hwehwia ede o maso totofom edidi nkomo no a enkeme akwati se maame no a na mampani dada John Dramani mama be ni tuapemu na ode no akro na amso amanfo hyase so mu busebusa na mampani abedi yekire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne MPP vono susu dabe eno mode omode banie na omode no obeye olu anase bia obeye abrewa so hu ne bia kama mpeni dada John Dramani mama yi so hu senior citizen na kono so akwa senior citizen na che so mienu di bomu a na akoye amerwa no hu nkomo anase nkokora ne nkomo na mrante no susu no ede omo de akwa kobum ebi kra susu di nsusu e base esan se mpeni dada John Dramani mama ede ne a kire mfimfi mantemunti no nti nkebe ya mampeni abede che Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne dia wo kwa akoyie no nkono susu mfo na ni nkire sa bia honom se be ya eja we free srem na we susu free mfante no mo de abom na eba asa no na Sompa FM nsantwe 4 years ye mo mpire nemdefo no a o mabere wa manyusem ne nkobi so mo se sansusu ye we na eba no ebebo na Dr. Kwesi Amache Boaten eyobia wa bene wa manyusem sa so kire wade o Kwame Nkrumah suapomu na oyi ano se Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia tieti amanfo ensem o mo ka no ye na adwene se woyi na ni efra santemam akofa ni pafufuro bia e de efri mfantefo ne line so a wan hu obeto ne pa e de agudantum Dr. Kwesi Amache Boaten.
I'll take it as politics, and he trying to, if you like, calm down nerves and not necessarily to create an impression that any particular region of the country has any, if you like, preferential position or place, a very special role. But then, when it comes to representation, you want to balance the ticket, but in some situations, it's more than just representation. The idea of the party's bread basket is critical. And on this issue, personally, I can't think that the party can look away. I can't think that Dr. Bawumia will want to, go out of the Ashanti region. I'm saying that it will be suicidal. He simply cannot afford it. The current situation in the party calls for that. The context in which the whole thing is unfolding in the party also calls for that. I like to believe that they want to look at themselves and what can inure to their own advantage rather than looking at what opposition, might want to do. Because of the fact that the situation that MPP finds itself in is terrible, it is crucial, completely different from that of the opposition. So the opposition can afford, to move in whichever way they want to. The MPP can't afford to do that. So I think their strategies should be dictated by the conditions in the MPP itself.
For Dr. Kwesi Amache Boaten and Yetening.
I was saying, I'm in Kiantia Sompa from Free Somania and no our poor Mantamu. Na the other teacher say, I got a be a ja. Aquacosi, Kubedia Bisho, na said yes, be ya no Yamen Kuan. Yamen Kuan, Yamen a fair fear, and ka and nay Kia Cassan for fro. Yaman Bonnie Quabana, Yako, and a tree and crafty honum. Quabi my Kwabi boy amwe.
Yo mini aba am se enura anwumre wo bra na bo no nan e de ekono. Wo be piem wo poimantem hanoma ane miamia ahoro bebre e wo han suotimi etoye ana enfama se guma na enye fedia kokwa agada de edudwa yankasa na otimu se na adi hu kase pa e de aba. Eno na ensu no toye achiwi ye no amanebo fisla no e wo so menya ni wo yilo kobomense ni mu abeto ekono so achimu se meno kasei agrada na adwa asikubedua emu mienu emu amatabra me kasei asegwerebe kubedua aye foforo ko ebe kase kube ewo so no esimu amana sogwerebe amno ekasei enye fedi agro ekra na anwade ba ko a ewo mu no ne se ansa na sade na eba bebesi no na maame bi ɛwɔ saa kubeduan ase ɛhɔnom no ɛhɔ no dune dwumadi ɛwɔ hɔnom ɔyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ hɔnom na mmom no ade a asi ɛnwa ne sɛ ɛberɛ a agrada no ɛsi kubedua no emu no ɛnyɛ ade a maame no deɛ ne ho ɛtɔɔ kyema a saa brame no ɛka sɛ ɔda so ɛte ase a sɛbe ogu so di nkyene ne mpo no ɛyɛ mɔko na awade kakra hwɛ mu no abɛto dwa no ɛkyɛ mu sɛ ɛnyɛ ne di kan nie a saa biaeɛ no agrada atumi adwa na akɔfa saa nsɛm wei atumi de aba ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo kyɛ mu ebi asi pɛn ɛno nti ɛberɛ a wei nso san ɛsiiɛ no nananom atena nkonya ɛkyɛm sɛ dabi ɔmo ntena hɔ ɛma no ɛsisi saa ebia ne ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa no akɔfo haw atumi de aba no nti ɔmo kyɛ mu a ɔmo bɛhwɛ petetakram ahwɛ sɛ anya biara no biaeɛ a ɛyɛ agrada no ɛsiiɛ a ne wei ne ɛtɔ so mmienu a ɛsi no sususu bi ɛta akyi anaa na ɔmatumi atu ho anammɔ ankɔba ne sɛ no mo sɛ da hwee nso ɛnta akyire ne mmom ne bɛsi no ana ɛsi nso a ana na biribi ɛwɔ hɔ no ma ɔmatumi ayɛ ntimi ne wokasa no de twɛda mpɔnyankopɔn adaworo ma nti maame a wanya mfinhyia bɛyɛ 65 de ɛkɔ no yɛde ne ho afoofi a saa brame no ɛka sɛ agrada a ɛsi kubedua emu no wantumi anka na mo kubedua no deɛ wobɛhu a ɛyɛ dɛ ne nyinaa ase dwerɛbɛɛ
Sompa na wɛdu baabi esie no kyerɛ yɛ esi fa he ankasa wɔ bi fie akyi na esi ana
menua ba saa pɛpɛpɛ ɛna teɛ kube no esi baabi a esi kofinfi mɛkasa esi kofinfi ɛna ɛdan atwa ho nyinaa atumi ahyia na kube no amane bɔ ɛsa ka ne kyerɛ sɛ esi hɔ akyɛ papapapapa ɛnyɛ ne kube esi hɔ akyɛ na ɛhɔ mpo na ɔmo tetetetete bɔtɛm ɔno tɛrɛ bi na sɛ bi awia ɛbɔ a ɔmo tumi bɛtrakra hɔ no ɔmo tumi gye mframa ɛno nti ɛyɛ kube bi a esi hɔ no ma mɛka sɛ ɔmanfoɔ no koraa no ɛtɛrɛ bi ɔmo tumi kɔgye ahomeɛ ɛwɔ aseɛ
enti wɛ mu na ɛka sɛ atɔ so mprenu no wɔn hwɛ ma ne mprensa so mɛtɔ so no na namontuo no bɛyɛ ɛdaba yi wɔn tumi hyɛ da bi to so sɛ bi a wɔn bɛtu ho anamɔ da sɛ yi
ɔmo ntumi anhyɛ da bi a anto so na mmom ɛbrɛ no asɛm si a ɔmanfoɔ teɛ nipa bebree pukɔ hɔ nom na mkɔhwɛ sɛ nea ɛteɛ no ɔmo hyɛ da asoma ɔmo teɛ no ba hɔ nom ɔmo na kyɛn kasa ɛde n'ani bɛhu nea ɛkɔɔ so nti kyɛn no kora mpo ɛna esi so dua sɛ nananom na asoma no ɛsan sɛ wei ɛka ho ɛtɔ so mmienu na ɛyɛ ɔmo wa so ɛkakra sɛ nea esiiɛ no ɛno nti yɛntumi nkyɛ sɛ nnɛ anaasɛ ɔkyɛ na mmom sɛ kyɛn no akasa tietia ne kyakye wɔn aba hɔ na ɔde amanneɛbɔ no kɔbɔ mpanyinfoɔ no deɛ yɛhwɛ no sɛ ɛno na ɔkyerɛ yɛ ɔbɛtumi atu ho anamɔ ɛsan sɛ nsuo no mpo deɛ afei ɛna ɛba bɛtɔ a obi nnim nea ɛdi akyire ɛde ba
akwabi mmea no wase wai awusia wai ya mane boni kwabena nya akone yete nke free po yemu antem so banya ɛhɔ ani kofa amane boyi ede free na wo papom de mu nsem ba bi ba ko pɛ na betumi anya de free aye 21st clinic won mu ye sciatica expert ɛna yade no adɔso ntintan sema yade enche otitiriu ɛna sciatica yade no ɛno na kye ofri wo to ase a na de aba wo na amru mu hɔ no mo na twetwen wo gye ho ba bia enye wo nan na mutumi ye dududu kye se wo pagya ɛyɛ sciatica na hawo ko na akwaje ya hwɛ na ɛbɔ wonka ya wanhwɛ adako ɛde wobeto hɔ untimi empagya wo nan ne biem abusua ya sesa wo ko kuma se hwa overseas junction a obehu ya wo hɔ ɔboase ya wɔkanso quarters enkran wodome market sunya ne nkran za tachiman ɛhɔ nyina dayagye adwa 0540 311 0540 311 311 Herbal Center kokwadru no etu kokwa na etu sisi ade ase na afa yamtim esoso ebekọ ewo obediem timitimu a wokotena so abusua wo kyense de wo ne ho kyerɛ no enya semketo ma wonya 3 ko capsules ebema wo yam no agono kama wokosen so a wotumi akyea nananom ama ho atɔ ebesa yi kokɔ ni nyina de afiri wo so ate yankɔ kwana Herbal dan Herbal mesie ba epidank ana 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 Mizo and a 5G drink. Eya no dia ye comfort ama o etiapo ejina na so ehye pa emu pikama enti awusua awia unya brodo bi pai bi na wo de ka ho a ba bi awudi ama ahoden beba se yi anya asem keto ama 5G no so ehye lie eno so nya bi a na wabobɔ ahyenkafo yenuanom aposifo a lawyer fo obi ahia bi se wotume no no bie 0246 270-221 0246-270-221 Tabita ni Tabita se ade na ukodwo tokora no anyame adonso nti ebesa so apagya ne mu ompere na apedie o diabetes no o prostate ade no mema no emu nso de monkwa Tabita nche so full alignment hono mo an wo to yade no wase one time ransan so mabie mwate ko na wono mo enshow and watching wo liver anasempo infections bi no akwakwate sisi yade bema waye mre wo mpamu a ayo Tabita clinic o wo enkrambade na Firestone Footbridge so full alignment wo takwata krade na fesunyane monfrey was 0202 347-647 0202-347-647 Yajina Resuya Tom Kratel Yabesaba
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nurse na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nasia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye no wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu wo ho 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 That's a 21st clinic womu ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved. Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
Abuzia saso mama kwa babio aba Sompa television yewia prem to brekase so otien ka wasante mantemu a Sompa 93.1 FM o Bono Regional Sompa 98.9 FM o Bono East Regional Sompa 90.7 FM abuzia fo yen to akase no so mamone yen kwa ma no so ye ni opani Simon Yusuf Keura enkodi nkomo wona ye peni mpa be de ekira wona amansan edi nkomo Magana ambulance service abuzia se mahu video bi o social media no so a ambulance ya ye Ghana ambulance ya bi na so we baby ambulance ni sia ebia o hwese ne sitie no a ase frisrem na ebi odne ne kire ye asantema na se southern Ghana ha sei anase bia ofri ye mpotemu ase no odne ne kire srim na ohwe ambulance de ye de enimu yirim se yeso obi yade a ne ye de amane so edna kwakopia yasabia enema na egu ambulance nim no na nya obi o yade a na mo bo se bidie bag boto ebiem ena bode duro esuso edemu ena yahu se gallon yesese liquid soap ena na wo mu ena enema bi a chechechechire no polythene bag mu esuso esi ambulance no mu yenko amano so ne ne opani Simon Kewura enkodi nkomo ne musasa nyembia omo no samfoni wei omo hunu bia na opani otie enka wiei yemo han wo emo akwaba yani etiefo ejo so yebusasa Ghana ambulance service a video way mo hunu bia na
yehu bi yehu video yehu pa
na ehwehwemu a mo ye ne sei ehwehwemu a mo ye ne de na mo hu ye.
Okay, me say ejina kwanya so na madam se etie motiefo nyina a motie Sompa FM and I say TV whatever it is. Yehui na am say yehui ano so management ye take steps a ye pese yehu na korea ada sasem ni nyina mu bam so ma me fasa kwanya wi na me cheche ni mu kakra senia na commentary bi a enam video no echi kire omo fa bidie omo fa body ne ma nkete no anya na kore ambulance no omo di yarefo efiri Upper East na Zango mudi Abakolebu Teaching Hospital enti omo be kono ewo January mu nyina na omo be kono ye wo omo region mu aye Upper East omo me consumables some de ko eno so omo di edwuma wo ambulance ni mu enti omo fa head office fasa consumables no ediko na amunam kwan so a mo kono em say mu ko hu say body saba kwa na moto edie to so na moto bidie no so nka mo grufia na omo yere no ne omo ma edi na omo tama na mo gina oto no na nipa na o shitu video no ne commentators ne na efo no atwa mo ye commentary awokire sana sam no sie na ehu ya no in fact Sompa FM enye de because of that so management a constitute a investigation team me no ka say am say a taking off and ya me no ka say ye hu adwuma nti emrepo mu no senate bia no ye be ma amanfo atie na ma me sangina sa kwan we so nka say enye ambulance ye so ban ne say di ambulance be so enema bidie na yi ambulance be amfa bidie da we no a me church mu say bottom minu me no nyina etumi twokwan ekotu bibisa na yeto e de befie se na be ya e betumi anya bibie akaya no sana de ne se so ye ka say nya so ban say be so ne masa no nti people should be with us nti anya ye nya bo payo bi na but we are constrained on sa baby sa adenti na mo emfa different van. But we need a van, you need van, you the best one, and you man mostly at times we rely on our ambulances if we a central region, a bar, now or more or money maybe a some to come office. No more DCC, a papa ambulance in one. I say, be area, and a DCC no ambulance in Muno, media to media, but it's another thing. You bought by yourself, it constraint, and you may do a while. To thank your van. Lady Suona, Chicheche, and Sunday Mana, and Kayape. And from today going, no, you don't send a day, you bet me a Sunday way fine.
Na Simon, AC Brebe, Mantibemu, and Saturday we see.
And I made me just see January.
From January, Numuna Saturday we see.
I see,
Ewo Upper East region, Meboa.
Sompa FM.
Yeah, me trying to say. Kano, omudi yarefo case every Navrango. Aye Upper East, Edi Bakolebu Teaching Hospital. Na so omu kono, ena say issue we kwesi we kwa mu no. Nti esi between Kentampo ne Tamale side ho baby.
Matthias into omo de yafo no ebai na omo kono e na head office e de sa eye eniema we mo omo se omo fa nko e na omo kono e na omo etobidie no na bi omo dru fie omo de aye aduane eja abusia
sa pepe
okay but say unse me na me ye le mana minim me ko hunu sa na chese baba wana baba tena so no Simon na me kire se unse normally no me na minim se me koto so sa no a enya me mfom so a me yembe hye me se ambulance na mo de afa sa ne ma unse ambulance no enya ne wo se ye di yenia na me boa se me no miyo ne agitum sa
na me di ka kire o se sa ne ma no enka ambulance edwuma ho a edwuma no enkowie pepepe
no credit
ntiri nyina no ehia ye ba me ka say under some constraint anka ye wo vana edi be fa say na anka edi be fa van no edi e ko le distribute but we don't have in fact, ambulance headquarters, we don't have such a thing. Okay. So we have to rely on some of the on our ambulances to cut goods, And I'm to say, and Nipa no so all your video, and go by now and yabo train a bizarre. Be a na be a bibina taichria, and come if you say, your baby and so, Sompa, oh, I think when you explain issues to them, Nipa now, but maybe be an able to which I cannot tell. I want to show any video or put in circulation. Simon, excuse me, but we in the be announced, now be a ambulance and more penny for or friend penny for be bizarre. Master Ghana, no, I am no dear. It is I said, yes, I say. Ghana no be move another be pepe. But maybe a video now would do to circulation. What he's going to do? Inti, also Ghana, you may be great to say they are connected to us and to Crompa. Say Nippon about Buama, solve that problem. No, the person will tend taking pictures. Our person will post it to social media. We do not have the patients in our tower. Inti, I said yes, at times we take responsibility to straighten the say social media now you post in mano a bit more solve problem be offer the two car we as so me say dia attention we na yenye time na chirechiro mu
matwase ti da just Simon we de enkoye samanfo call say be ya driver no ne omo a omo in charge of the ambulance yem punish omo ne ade no na yes we de hunhia say punishment bi abekọ de ama obiana
medical culture say yes safety committee
yes
disciplinary committee yefra omo say ombe chire animemu enchire nti ne ebesi bia no ye debate dwa enti ka say entwe omo so wana say betwe omo so because bibia ye wo Ghana no mrada ho bia me no wo bibia wo pre o say me ye we a anka ye but na mbra enso ada ho nti ye behwe ho ye no so mu ebu mra so a say betwe omo so a ye be ye
mate Simon ye da sibibia ne e be sa so aba onche bi why.
Okay,
Abzafo we your penny Simon Yusuf Kewra wono ene ye penny mpa be de akira wakasa edema Ghana National Ambulance Service.
Na ya 27 so wokọ senior high school sa hodo mu aye wo bibia fra ne sentako ane ye wo bia ko bi eno no school ahodo no ana womkoko hia kwaje won mani nyese bi ani je se ye kwoboro nsa na mu we na kwakwa ya agokansie ho nsensem ane ya na won mo ekọ na enrada ane yetete se baba ya sports stadium enkura ne bi akonteko ama abusua KSTS enkoda se wo mkoye dayo so mkoye dayo aposifo akwakyere bi meka se ya so kwa police station ehonum na yede dodo no akọ fitie no abapem sese ye ma won mu beli enti abata no wo mo ne tutu aka won Sompa se nkoda no hwehwa na nkoda wo mo kwaji wo mo nie na sabio akasa na mentem ho ase aba na ya kyere biye na afrede de si ebebe wo mo so akwakoya asem foforo no na anodin ye kone na batan ba akodi nkomo ne bisa no se ede be pa na posifo akade a kyere wonum ma hai
ya
na wadi yankwa tew na mimisa se ayada na wote ya hwan yankasa na fra wo ka kire wo se ya kyew ba
if I to see I me score me phone so na me baba ya fra me se ma asem se na pass ya fra na ka kire me se ya kye no mo ko stadium na me se se dey na me so ode number me na me se ya ne ma me hwe me phone so na number bi afra me nti me ja me ba na me flare number no no also CID me chia no no simpacho CID ni ne asema si ma me no na me se me pacho ani
okay
and also ane mo ba no police station nya me aduma anopa na me police station so no so mo ko stadium no eso enyima bia kokoko so nti omo hu se won na mo ho na se wo hye bia oti atale ne acho wo hye we ne acho se mo nyina mo ka mo ticho mo frefra into police station si yo ene menua enna de wo ye ba tan de minu so wonim e bia nkomani so ena de che chano peya na panana ni sole ene tipa ni ko school wona mo chen se amu ma school ho no mo wa ena me de aba ba tin ba ko mba ni mi hu no ba to ba tan fo bebere wa haje na hasa ana no na se ye ko ba tano pa ensompo enumbi hu akola no nti me hu se me didi ana se me numu so nti se ye je na hasa ya wo Aspa police station maybe a war interchange for me. They did in a house and they did in a home.
See, I didn't know our friend one. What to me, a son and a Casabium. Sounds a one and a friend war. One of friend was here to Bamebois. Me patron, and a walk and a wound walk down on tea. Me patron, and why a dear now found so be who see idea me your phone is say. Na police near about your door. No, maybe I'm not saying no. Look at Fabian, baby, I'm most of the banner ham plenty. Look at Fabian, and the black, I would do me the black and Colano. And no one can faint, and no letting now. For they was in the seminar and it's you family. And I'm a cotoy, no, my dear ba. I tell my man who say I know. But it's many who say dear. But you see, I didn't know back at a thing about it now. Only who command and your command and the can. Not just say, yeah, 2 1 more. And tea. And I'm a yakahan to do a catcher. I will follow on. Now, watching. And cranny out of doorbell say, if I told you woman in Yakopo and can come in do. You, ya dear, sir, ya frau post in ya frau, sir, ya cheroba and tea, police station. No, Majmadi, sir, Anya crown over to me a canyoma bacum, you be the achero, Sabia Obama, for you say, and I say, one to me, I can't tell you, and that's why I say you. And our police station, one also no. Police in Inua or Casa a new man Bacum, you know, one of the to me, I can't tell. Also, I'm cafe. Also, I'm cafe. No, I said, my dear, and no man now. And also, me soon, or didn't so much and amusement, and then make me can't be fair. And I'm asking so dear, and can't, and also says so dear. I just a funny belly, in you know, got some land in the idea. You know, got on the buy, and I didn't know the apple. You know, or one car, I send the unfancy and say, Acolano. Why say, and I say, and I say, didn't any more mobile about time, where your son and war. That also, or Papa, your also, to me, kind of do. You will have a day. I mean, about time, yatch a bar. Or pursue a behuna de Codia Potia and a banway and tea, yatch and the sun say. Me batte wa ne ba be chenwa me ni masem na se de e be ya me ya okwan bi so wa kasa hu no what de yi the matter say I didn't say the cost stadium ho no mu a ye be hu say omo says obi boutique yo ani obi plastic chair e bubu na boutique no so ni mu hwehwe na apapai ye be hu yeso ye hu ye nti sa na waka kire yen San Wakachi, na Obi so say, almost a cast, but ye buy you almost a Caribbean to the button, be out there, Carway now, Momana Seno. You see, you who she was Hassa. Someone can't be in train. Then one is yes, and some Hassa, and I hear one here, but I will any episode years. And you were not say, and your school back when you actually a moon kodame bois. Sana. Me dear, me mom dear, me banning dear, no, I mean, school so I can't. Mammy, you heard me say, see, I know one of Pameboa. Me patrani. And it baptisms a son who are doing no about don't kono. What's also pushing penny for be more na, sir, Mobania Baman in the belly, I'm another fee. And not Sana. My back won't be certain in Koran, say, Mamma Beana. And I'll say, Annie, what did you command up a can? And obedi so sebe so de me ya na awehoni ya won because mbanu sa you know I say me nam hosa ma dwene nya adwuma sa so mo keme sa so mo se I say ye wo hono see enkola ne de obi ahu ne de na school so mpanyimfo no mo se won ma ba headmasters no me ka to obi ama ha obi ama ha ana wo school ni mo so mo antumi anka se bi on baba ho na mo anka bibia anka ne de da bi omo anka se omo baba ha omo aso mo kan se enkola na omo de omo koye no dodo na ba na mo kro mo te na tesem se ya chenkola ne bi ba a police for no se omo mapan emma cheche ne bi ama ha mo hia ba ta na kasa na enkola no wono mo kire wo mo brebe me pa cho enu de minim tam kotia mo de chenkola no o se meni hobby nintino unu minim ni omo de chenkola no ana mesko no ana wo kasa ba wo phone no so no a wo baba no kire wo se o ba no kra fe no na e brebe na me hwa e be 7 o'clock enumre
me sha me sha be se me wo krok no so owo dwom nti sa mele ni mu no ka se ni nua wache fene say
yo ama me uni
police ni bia friend mo ni so woni police ni bia kasa na some say na police na kasa said that yo and I'm also making me phone me who the same na me be say me ba say number we na friend no last number is say no say na me say and my friend
ama me ya hade so see anakwa ba ne say ye no kwakwa ba tan no to dance mu wono mu a na o kan na wakoma na ihuru kosoro enti me yenya wo why na wakoma na mra fom nyame ya do why be sa na wadi nkomo why
me pa tomate
I was ya we abata ne binu ne no mkasa ye no maame baako na o kirikire mu se enura numre eno de onya ko se ya kire ne ba enti enkura na ekontako ewo baba yara ago pramaso ene ko wi akire ya kire bie ti ye hwede ye bekọ akosie no ya ne mpanyefo bedi nkomo de afa ho sanse asamba se ya untumi nyina ba akofo achi na wonka ebia ne nkoda no so de mu yeye na entwa yi yamfa sedama abeheba clinic won mo ka ho bi na eso tamaso apatapa new site na Dr. Abe wowo sekasa yade hania etwere yade koko eno achi na wo ba wo fichi ko ya wo mo syphilis fibroid ne nyina ya Dr. Abe nsa no adwuma obeye ne kamade amawo 0243 345 cloud internet nso eboa ama wo internet ho nsensam atumi agina so open wifi abra camera CB me install bi fama ana sempo digital security locks ni nyina cloud internet yedi hu dwuma ya top high ya lala FM din hwani mu 0202 699 110
Yesi ana yachia mupi ya sorry ama Sompa nkoma soma twaso aseda nkoma kukua ya Grace Buzi akosia soma mrante mabawa awo Sompa FM ne Sompa TV newsroom yesemu for pani ene yera asante yabo Benedict Medin ede yabo amalibi aboga ewie mene
akosia ajewa kwade